Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and I've got something special for you today. We have right here is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop. Let's take a quick look. This is an amazing laptop and it's perfect for what I need to do, especially for gaming, streaming, and of course content creation. It's compact enough with only 14-inch screen size and weighs only at like 1.68 kilos. Yeah, it's powered by a Ryzen 9 5900HS with 32 gigabytes of RAM. It comes with 16, but I've upgraded to 32 and has 1 terabyte of storage space. For graphics card, it has the GeForce RTX 3060 with 6 gigabytes of GDDR6X RAM. What I like about this laptop is that it comes with a backlit Animatrix LCD, which you can program using the software included, giving you a whole range of animated logos. I can't wait to power this up and see how it performs against other gaming laptops that we've tested in the past. But more importantly, will it stream on the go? Let's find out later. All right, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop with the Animatrix backlit cover. Alright, let's start with this side here. Okay. Alright, look at that. Very nice. Nice box, nice packaging. It's very nice, look at that. Alright, let's take a look at the laptop here. We'll come back and take a look at it closer later. Let's have a look at the accessories first. All right, let's take a look at this box here. Here we have basically just the instruction manual, warranty card, and things like that. Light it up with the Animatrix, yeah. G-series gaming laptop information there. And we've got some warranty card, and that's basically it. And then have a look at the accessories here. All right, we have the ROG gaming mouse. Yes, the gaming mouse right here. That's included with the package. It's a wired gaming mouse. I wish they had a wireless version. So you've got an ROG gaming mouse as well included. We also have the power adapter. Yes, AC power adapter. And then we have an extra USB cable here. And also, this is interesting, the ROG Eye. This is the webcam, the clip-on webcam. That's included as well with the package. And that is it. Nothing else inside the box. Yep, it's all empty. But very nice looking packaging. I was quite surprised with the angle, but the actual box fits over quite nice as well. We'll take a closer look at the laptop now. Here we have the gaming laptop itself, the ROG Zephyrus G14. Yep. Let's take the wrapping off first. Very nice. Here we go. Very lightweight. Only weighs 1.68 kilos. It comes with an 8-core Ryzen 9 5900HS processor, 7nm, and of course the Animatrix LED. IPS panel, 144 Hz, and a 14-inch screen, 1080p. And of course it comes with a lot of features including the Dolby Atmos audio and more features. Alright, let's take a look at the laptop. Closer look. Here we go. Very nice. Comes with this cloth to protect the keyboard. Here we have the AMD badge right here with the Ryzen 9 5000 series. And of course, it's the 5900HS 8-core with 7nm technology. Also included is the GeForce RTX 3060 with 6 gigabytes of GDDR6 RAM. This particular model comes with 1 terabyte SSD. I've also upgraded the RAM to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 3200. So it's a nice fully spec'd computer, perfect for gaming, streaming, and of course content creation. Notice the large space bar right here, perfect for gaming, and also a large here, a nice mouse pad. Over here we have the power button, an ROG gaming button, mute, volume up and volume down, and you have a row of F keys, which of course you can program. So very nice compact layout. All right, let's take a look at the connectivity and have a look at the ports. Right, on this side we have the USB-C connector and 2 USB ports right here. So, and on this side we have the power connector for your adapter, AC power adapter, HDMI output, and also this USB-C can be used for charging as well as video output as well, display port. And then the headset jack right there. At the back here, you just have the Zephyrus logo and some air vents right here. Very nice. And you also have air vents on either side of the laptop as well, right there. At the back, nothing much, but you can see the fans are here and also here for cooling. And you can take the panel off here to add more memory, for example, or upgrade your SSD. All right. And over here we have the ROG logo right here. It's a nice glossy logo, established 2006. And if you notice closely, you'll see the perforated holes right here, and this is where the Animatrix logo and feature will display. Now I wanted the grey version because in the dark it'll come up really nice with the Animatrix setup. All right, here we go. If you look at this laptop here, if you open the lid and the LCD screen, there's a hinge here that actually opens up really nice, and it actually comes up. So your keyboard or your base is raised up on the table right there. And plenty of space around at the back here for cooling. You can see my finger right there. There's a hole, I put my whole finger in there, and actually there's plenty of space then for cooling as well. Notice the little speakers here and here, Dolby Atmos, and you have the nice ROG Zephyrus logo here as well. Very nice. All right, so this is a 14-inch size from corner to corner right there, and 1080p, and 144 Hertz refresh rate. Very nice. So we'll be running some benchmarks on this and see how it looks and feels. I'm really excited about the Animatrix design of the back plate there, backlit there. And yeah, love this. Nice and compact, lightweight. It's exactly what I wanted, especially if I want to do my streaming as well, gaming as well as content creation on the go. All right, so this is a quick unboxing of the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop with the Animatrix backlit cover. Very nice. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop, powered by a Ryzen 9 5900HS and with a GeForce RTX 1360. It offers amazing performance with a ton of features and is perfect for the gamer, streamer, and content creator. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.